Today's podcast is brought to you by Quantrix Modeler Introductory Training, teaching the fundamental foundation that you need to become a Quantrix master. Go to QuantrixAuthority.com to learn more.
Show me how you do Quantrix.
Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 226. This is in response to a question sent in to me at QuantrixAuthority@gmail.com. It's from Shashank, and he has a select that's not working. It only brings back the first item when a key list is a category. So he asked me this question, wants to know how he can fix it. What he has here is he has two matrices, one of which is called the merged matrix and then another one called budget line item matrix. And over here you can see this category, A line item, has these items within it. And then in this matrix, B line item has these items within it. And there are some slight variations, such as 102 does not live over here, as well as 105 or 106 does not live over here. And what he wants to do is he wants to populate a column called budget for whatever reason, and he wants to have it look up these items in this category over to these items over here and bring back where it has a match essentially in the name of this item. So he's gone ahead and he has written this select statement where he says, well, go out and pull in my budget line item where my key list is equal to this line item, and my lookup value is really this item that I'm on, right? This A line item. So what's going on here is it's just going out and it's pulling back the first 100 cash here, but it's not bringing back in the 101 bank. It should bring in a blank here because there's no match with the 102. 103 should come back, 104 should be blank, and then 105 should be wood because there is a match. But you can see it's just bringing back the first item. So why is that happening? Well, it's because we're not referencing these additional items correctly in our select. Anytime we use a category as a key list or as a lookup value, okay, or even a value list, anytime we want to do anything with this category tile, okay, and its items within a select statement, we always need to use an @ symbol. So we got it right on the first argument, but we need to use it on the second argument as well as the third. So if I simply put @ and then I put @ again here, and if I go ahead and I hit enter, then you can see that indeed it works correctly. It's not just bringing back the first item, it's actually bringing them back as I would exactly expect them. So again, as a rule of thumb, when you're using Quantrix and you want to reference a category, the items within a category, as in your key list, your value list, or even your lookup value, you always need to use this @ symbol within Quantrix, and it should work for you every time. If you have any questions about Quantrix, I really do hope that you'll reach out to me at QuantrixAuthority@gmail.com. I want to make you a Quantrix master. I absolutely love Quantrix, and I hope you'll join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.